Hello guys, welcome back to my channel 20 Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification that I share to my channel daily. I know you are waiting for my video on your favorite topic. So one of these, here you go. Let's start the video. Today, my video is about choppy bob haircuts, which are on trending these days. As you know, this is summer season, and in this season, choppy bob haircut make the person very comfortable, easy, and cool. I'm sharing all the choppy bob haircuts in this video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. You will got one of your or more than one of your favorite choppy bob haircut among them. These all choppy bob haircuts are really beautiful. I'm sharing all choppy bob haircuts which are really beautiful, dashing, gorgeous according to fashion, ongoing to the trending. All job girls, office going girls, college girls, teen ages girls, school going girls, young girls can take these haircuts. You can take screenshot of your favorite haircut with your favorite shade and go to your hairstylist and take this hairstyle and let me know also which hairstyle you got and select for yourself and which hair color you select for yourself. Well, I'm sharing all the beautiful fashion hair colors with choppy bob haircut. All hair colors are really beautiful. You can take choppy bob haircut with base hair color. You can go on with fashion color, highlights, balayage colors, streakings. It depends on you which color you select for yourself. If you select this haircut with plain, it will be also beautiful because simplicity is also best. It depends on you how you carry these hairstyles and how beautifully you carry these hairstyles with which color. Well, I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section. You can also share your ideas through comment section. It will be honor for me and I will like to make videos on your ideas. It will be my first priority. And if you like my videos, then share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they will also know about the latest fashion which I share daily on my channel. So guys, stay tuned, stay blessed, keep watching, keep sharing and subscribe my video and like also. I will be there in my next video and don't forget to share my videos. I will suggest you again watch this video till the end and I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourselves. Have a great hair day.